Hello YouTubers, Jay here. This is going to be part of my new rig series that I have going here. Most people don't know they have a power steering filter in here. It helps a lot. So actually the easiest way to do this is just it's right under here. It's a little hard to get loose. Wiggle it down. Pull out your power steering filter. Grab your new one. It is going to clip into the top of this. Now put it in. And you'll twist all the way until you feel it lock, and then just pull. Now I got my bag of rags down here. I don't like to leave things all nasty. These trucks take automatic transmission fluid for power steering. I don't know what's up with me today. But that's it for that. Just an easy repair. What I sign off with is play with shit. Have a good day or night, or whenever you're watching this, please click subscribe.